I don't know what happened to this GoPro, but the memory card got some errors. It says SD card error. I don't know what happened to the footage till now. I have to check by connecting it to my laptop, but I don't know why it is giving such an error. This is my second time which is happening. Last time it happened when I was going to, I think it is Pench only, on this same highway it happened, and again today. If the earlier memory card got corrupted, then this is where I'm gonna start my video. I'm gonna give a brief explanation. If the video is starting from here, then we are entering Maharashtra. Time right now is 11:30 and we have done 340 kilometers. Yes, so 340 kilometers. Time right now is 11:30. We started from Hyderabad at around 5:30. So 5:30 till now 11:30 we have covered 340 kilometers, and we took breakfast to break. First stop of the day for breakfast. This is the same place where we stopped when we were going to Pench. So breakfast हो गया, निकलने का टाइम आ गया है. No rain as of now, and a short water break in between. So we are in Maharashtra now and we are going towards Nagpur. So why we are going towards Nagpur is because we are on a big ride. It's big in terms of kilometers as well as days. So yeah, this will be my longest ride since 2 years. Last longest ride was Leh Ladakh on my ADV 390, and then this could be my second biggest ride. I think you will be seeing two other guys on their bikes. One is Yash on 850 GSA and Kranti on ADV 390. So we three of us are heading towards Nagpur now. Don't know about today's destination because we thought like we'll ride till sunset and we can hit as much as possible. So Nagpur is hardly 180 kilometers, so we will be crossing Nagpur. Yeah, this was a brief thing. And when we started from Hyderabad, it was raining like hell, like full heavy rain. We started in that heavy rain, and once we cross 100 kilometers from Hyderabad, it's completely dry, sunny, humid and very hot. Literally we are sweating like anything inside the jacket. It's that hot. I actually stopped to change the memory card in GoPro, so I told the two guys to leave ahead. Let's see where we can catch them up. As always, once you enter Maharashtra, you get rim bend roads. Like, you will have so many potholes, that too dangerous potholes with which you can bend your rims. Police has stopped Kranti just to inquire that where are you going. So he just called me up. I think in next couple of kilometers they might even stop me. road was open, right? So I think I don't know if they did not see me or didn't want to stop me. Coming to the ride related information, so you might have seen the my god, Maharashtra roads, man, so horrible. It's like playing kabaddi, dodging all the potholes, danger potholes. Coming to the ride related information, so we are actually, by the thumbnail or the title you might have already seen, that we are going to north of India. Yes, we are heading to Ladakh. Most of the people might think like, why now in September? Like, actually it's 31st August today and tomorrow is 1st September. So most of the people who go to Ladakh won't prefer September month. That is why we thought like, let's go in September. In September the temperatures are a bit lower compared to June, July, and there might be bad patches compared to June, July because of the rain, landslides, everything. What we thought is, starting from Hyderabad till we reach like Chandigarh, the complete stretch we have to cover in May, June, July, it would be hot, completely hot, and we can't ride it. Last time when I went to Ladakh in 2022, in May last week, I started from Hyderabad. At that time I did the complete stretch from Hyderabad till Chandigarh in night, and even in night it was like frustrating hot. So we thought like September would be a cool month to ride from Hyderabad to Chandigarh, but the difficulties we are facing is the humidity and rain. So as of now there is no rain, but when we started from Hyderabad it was raining like horrible rain. So we thought like the complete journey from Hyderabad till Chandigarh would be the same, but as we crossed Hyderabad it was like completely stopped. The rain has completely stopped and the humidity started. It is so humid that we are like sweating. We just saw Aldiram on the right side and we need a U-turn, but there is huge traffic jam ahead. Now we don't know if there is a U-turn or not. పైనుంచి అయితే లేదు, కింద నుంచే వెళ్ళాలి యూటర్న్కి. ఉందిలే ఇక్కడ. షిట్, ట్రక్ ముందు నుంచి వెళ్ళాలి. ఈ ట్రక్ ఆగింది కదా, రైట్ సైడ్ నుంచారా. ఈ ట్రక్ ఇక్కడ ఆగి ఉంది, దాని ముందు నుంచి యూటర్న్ తీసుకో. వచ్చావా? వావ్, అవసరమా బయటికి పోవడం అనిపిస్తుంది.
విల్ స్లీప్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ 6 విల్ స్టార్ట్.
మీ ప్లాన్లో ఏమేకండి, నేను ఆల్రెడీ గీసేసిన ప్లాన్.
ఏం చేసినావు మనం?
మీరు ముందు కూడా నేను పడుకుంటాను. ఫినిష్ ప్లేట్ పక్కకి ఇట్లా
This is the thali which we have ordered. अभी रोटी आना है. आ रहा है.
I am having two thalis.
2 थाली. एक्चुअली वो पाव भाजी ना 1 रुपये में आ गया है. अबाउट 600 रुपीज़. पे 1 रुपी एक्स्ट्रा एंड गेट द पाव भाजी फ्री. और ये आ गया रोटी विथ पापड़ और ये थाली. इतना यम्मी दिख रहा है एंड इट इज़ एक्चुअली यम्मी. शुड नॉट मिस हल्दीराम का थाली. ఇంత వేడి అసలు. దొరికింది హల్దీరామ్ దొరికింది కానీ మా హెవీగా తినేసాం.
చాలే అట్లీస్ట్ డ్రీమ్ మూమెంట్.
వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? గ్రేపా? అదర్ ఫ్లేవర్? వేరే ఫ్లేవర్? స్ట్రాబెర్రీ బెటర్. Time is 2 o'clock and we had an amazing food here in Haldiram's, Nagpur. Nagpur is still 26 kilometers, I think so. And we found this Haldiram's in the on the outskirts. So thought of having lunch here. Actually, we thought of stopping for lunch after Nagpur, but we found this lovely Haldiram's. We had thali here, which you have already seen. It was too yummy and we almost fell asleep. If we go straight, then we enter Nagpur, and if we take left, then we will be taking the outer route towards Jabalpur, but it even goes to Sagar. Sagar is 408 kilometers and it's gonna take 7 hours now. నువ్వు హార్న్ కొడితే ఎట్టుందంటే ఏదో కార్ వస్తుందా నా వెనకాల అన్న ఫీలింగ్ వస్తుంది. If you find a mud path, just see, you'll find the barricade, forest barricade. You can't fly drone here, nor you can stop, or you can't enter inside without the permission. So this is thick Pench forest. This stretch is completely soundproof. We'll stop after the toll gate. Today we have done 600 kilometers and we are in Pench right now, waiting for Yash. It's so humid here that the water we drink is coming out in the form of sweat. And here is Yash. I think his cardo went off and even the phone. Next, you won't find other until you go to Sioni. After Sioni only you will find some dhaba or something. Till then you won't find.
Oh no.
Yeah. Wow, amazing. It's an amazing view with full of farms. Ride update time right now is 7:45. We have taken a big break. It's a kind of a transition break to have chai and some face wash. We are in Madhya Pradesh and you can see cattle on the road. You have to be very careful. Today's destination would be Sagar, which is 100 kilometers away. అచ్చా సేమ్ పెట్రోల్ పంప్ మేము లాస్ట్ టైం ఇక్కడే కొట్టించాము సేమ్ మీరు కొట్టియండి నాకు ఎలాగో ఉంది 300 ఉంది The main problem in Madhya Pradesh is you won't find a proper place to take rest or have tea, coffee. You have to go inside the town, not on the highway. And the road is completely under construction, due to which it is taking so much of time. 100 kilometers, 2 hours 23 minutes. That is how much time it is gonna take us. So we'll be reaching at 10 o'clock as per Google. Time is exactly 9. Till now we have covered 880 kilometers from Hyderabad, and Sagar is 29 kilometers. 29 kilometers, 45 minutes. Because of this, you can see this is Madhya Pradesh speciality. You find cattle and potholes. These are the two things which will slow you down like anything. So our hotel is 26 kilometers away and we need a sleep now. Rest to our bags, rest to our body.